Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Brunch was huge back home, back in Texas. If you don't know, I recently moved to California. I'll do a whole video on that, but we're gonna jump right into it. This is gonna be some homemade French toast with sausage, as I mentioned. So you have your eggs. I have 4 large eggs here, and we're just gonna go ahead and get those beat really nice. Beat your eggs up really good. All right, guys, so we got our eggs all beat up really good. So we're gonna take some ground cinnamon. Really simple. And guys, this dish is so simple and easy to make. Gonna have some sugar. You can swap it for brown sugar if you like. I'm just using some regular pure cane sugar. And we have some vanilla extract. And last but not least, we have some whole milk. And then I just added just a little tad bit of heavy whipping cream. Just like that. Don't have to have it, one or the other, I just added it. Then you're just gonna mix that all together, guys. Real simple. And you gotta mix it really good because that cinnamon tends to like to clump up. So you gotta make sure that doesn't happen. So when you mix it, make sure you mix it really good. It may take 2 or 3 minutes. We don't want no clumpiness in our French toast. Mix. All right, guys, so now we have our mixture all together. We're just gonna go ahead and pour this into our baking dish or whatever you're using. Alrighty, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and dunk in our brioche bread. You wanna do it for about 30 seconds on each side. Make sure it soaks in really good. You don't want to over soak it. You don't want any soggy French toast. So you're gonna go ahead and flip it. That's good on that side. 30 seconds on that side. That's how that flavor gets all infused in there. Really good. Now that's good enough. Then over here, we're gonna take our butter. Just gonna go ahead and put that in. I'm just gonna add a tad bit of olive oil. We're gonna get that nice and warm with a medium-high heat. So we're gonna go ahead and take our French toast. Lay down. It may take 1 to 2 minutes on each side. You wanna get them nice and toasty. And let them do its thing. All right, guys, so we're gonna go in for a flip. It's been about 2 or 3 minutes. See how they're looking. Oh yeah, those are coming together nicely. Nice caramelized on the outside there. Those are looking yummy. Alright, guys, that's it. You see how simple it is to make French toast right in the middle of your home. Now we're just gonna go ahead and dress this thing all the way up with all the fixings that you get at that nice brunch restaurant that you go to. So you know you gotta have your berries. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some berries all the way around. Now when it comes to berries, you can choose whatever you desire. It doesn't matter what you like. This is your homemade French toast. So today I'm just simply keeping it with some nice fluffy blueberries, some nice strawberries, and then we're just gonna go ahead and make this thing a home run. Also gonna add some honey glazed walnuts. So you just get that extra crisp, that extra crunch when you're taking a bite. You know what it is, man. You line up outside for brunch about 2 hours. When you don't feel like doing that, just come holler at this recipe right here. This is gonna get you right. You know you gotta have your maple. When I go out, I'm like, can I get some warm maple, please? Sometimes when I be asking, they be looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm like, nah, bro, I need that warm maple. Alrighty, and then we're just gonna top it off with some beautiful powdered sugar, y'all. This is just my. All right, guys, so as you can see, that's our homemade French toast. Don't feel like waiting in line for brunch. You can do it right in your kitchen. You know, I'm about to dive right on in. Look how pretty that is. Look at that. Got the caramel on there. So buttery, nice toasty. The cinnamon, you can taste all the flavors. Then you got your fruit. And don't forget about our chicken spicy apple sausage. That's it. That's your homemade French toast right there in your kitchen. You're thinking patty. Enjoy it. Hope to see you guys next time. Please continue to break bread with Arthur. Out.